Alright, so I've been doing some prototyping. I've bought some 40 grit belts from eBay, and you can see I've got a ton of HDPE that I've formed in the oven. And if we come over here, I've been working on a little bit of a kind of a grinder, belt grinder type creation. HDPE wheel, a few little pillow block bearings. Then it's got an arm that I welded up, and it goes all the way to a cheap skill bench grinder that I got from Bunnings about, I would say about 10 years ago, and I had it in the box. I just never used it because I already had two grinders. Anyway, so it's going to be a belt grinder. I've ordered a belt. It's only 50mm wide by 1220, so it's going to be 600. It's going to be a grinder that I can maneuver any which way, so up, down, side to side, so that way that arm doesn't really matter where it goes on that grinder. So I can flip this plate and put it anywhere if I want to, because I'm going to be flipping the grinder anywhere. The only kind of problem is the switch, so you've just got to kind of lean over and hit the switch wherever it is. But so far everything's come along really well. So the belt pattern is going to be probably around that wheel, up on a little bit of a slant, and then back down and around. So this I put together today. Been out here for a little while just messing around. Really enjoyed it today. The garage is a mess. My toolbox is an absolute mess. That's what happens when you're kind of prototyping stuff. You just kind of get carried away. I used my auto darkening helmet for the first time, which was pretty good. I enjoyed that as well. Made welding 10 times easier. But yeah, no, it's going to be a good little creation. I'm probably going to paint it after I'm done. I'll probably more or less only use this thing for wood. Maybe a little bit of metal, but more or less for wood, I think. So it's going to be a pretty good project. I didn't really film anything just because I wanted to do it all, but we'll come back, you know, whenever it's done, and we'll do a follow-up video. You can see the front of it. So I've got to work on making a drive wheel for this, and there's going to be a drive wheel here, and it's just going to wrap around pretty much. So that's it. Thanks for watching.